Dear students, today's topic is high fluxion potency. Dear student, high fluxion potencies. Dr. Hahnemann explained to make potentization of liquid drug by hand process. The hand process is good for preparing small quantity, but for preparing higher potencies means 1 m, 10 m, 50 m, cm, etc. A lot of time, labor, energy and ethyl alcohol will be necessary. For that, some learned homeopathy physician had discovered the following machines to make the high potencies, which are called high fluxion potencies. Vehicle used for preparing high fluxion potencies are purified water and ethyl alcohol. Purified water is used for intermediate steps and ethyl alcohol for rest of the potentization. Dear student, Korsakov of Russia, he advocated that one single medicated globules when placed among many non-medicated globules communicated its medicinal power to the non-medicated globules. Jenichen of Wismar, he advocated that further attenuation is not compulsory for the dynamization of medicine, but continuous succussion without dilution is sufficient. Number 3. Carol Dunham. He was one of the early people to mechanize the process of potentization. He used an old oil mill in which more than 120 vials were attached to solid wooden beams that could withstand 125 extremely powerful shaking movement per dilution. His potencies were suffixed by letter D. Dear student, next is Bernhard Finke. Finke was an American physician. Dr. Finke invented two apparatus for the preparing fluxion potency. The first machine was in which the tap water passed through the tube and filled the vial. Next, excess of water falls into the graduated measuring container, which is showing the number of potencies prepared. So more the water that passes through the vial, the more the potency is increased without succussion. Dear student, the second machine of Bernhard Finke. By this he prepared his well-known Finke high potencies, which is the Finke fluxion process with siphon method over the hand-made potencies. In this machine, the water is first filled in a big jar and connected to the Finke potentizing vial through the glass and rubber tube. Due to the siphon technique, water first reaches the bottom of the Finke potentizing vial, where water is mixed with medicine and raised upwards, which escapes from the mouth of the vial. The water flow is continuous from the jar and it displaces the water over it from the mouth of vial without succussion. This is called continuous fluxion method of Finke, opposite to Skinner method. When desired potency is prepared, the vial is emptied by jerk and filled with ethyl alcohol and shaken twice. Now, this potency is ready for motioning the sugar globules. Dear students, Finke mechanism without succussion is shown on the screen. Dear student, the machine of Thomas Skinner. The machine was first fixed on a small was basin and attached to a tape. So, the supply of water moved the water wheel of the machine. The machine held a two small glass vial of 100 minim capacity containing mother tincture to be potentized. When machine was worked, the vial turned down and dumped its liquid in a sink. Then the vial was turned up and filled with 100 minim of water. There was no succussion. When the desired potency is prepared in the water vehicle, the vial is taken out and its liquid is transferred in a new fresh vial. It is shaken, emptied, then filled with ethyl alcohol and 25 succussion are given. This Fc fluxion centesimal is used to moisten the sugar globules. That is called discontinuous fluxion method of Skinner opposite to Finke method. Dear student, the next is Samuel Swan. He advocated fractional part of potencies. He used fractional part of potency by attenuation. He suggested the following methods. For preparing 1 m potency, 1 drop of mother tincture is used. For preparing 10 m potency, 1/10 drop of the 1 m is used. Not useful for serial dilution. Only final dilution can be made by it. Dear students, multiple vial potencies. It is advocated by Dr. Hahnemann of Germany. It is known as Hahnemann's multiple vial method. This method of potentization is given in the GHP, German Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia. It requires a new vial at every step. It requires a single vial at every step. This method is more accurate. These potencies should be prepared by hand process. The hand process is suitable for preparing small quantities. Dear student, the next is single vial potencies. This method of potentization is given by Korsakov of Russia. This is advocated by Korsakov of Russia. It is known as Korsakov's single vial method. Same vial is used at every step. It requires a single vial in the whole process. This method is less accurate. These potencies should be prepared by machine. The mechanical automatic process is suitable for preparing high potency. Dear student, the principle of single vial potencies by Korsakov of Russia is when the liquid from the phial is poured off, some amount of dilutions remain in the inner wall of phial. This amount gets sucked in the next level of potency. Dear student, you know very well that In India, we follow the direction given by the HPI, Homeopathy Pharmacopoeia of India. HPI advocated for each potency a separate new phial should be used in succussion. For trituration, a trituration is prepared manually or by machine, strictly following the 60-minute process with division of sugar of milk as per HPI in the ratio 1:3:5. Dear student, in this slide you can see the differences between multiple and single vial potencies.